We are learning to use column addition to add when playing close to 100. Okay, so we're going to play close to 100. Here's my recording template for when I roll my 2 dice. I need to decide what order I put the 2 numbers in, and then we're going to add them up as we go along using column addition. So my first throw of my 2 dice gives me a 1 and a 4. So following my strategy, I'm going to put my smallest, make it the smallest number possible, and I'm going to put the 1 in the tens column and the 4 in the ones column. My second throw of my dice gives me a 2 and a 5, and again I'm going to put the smallest number in the tens and the biggest number in the ones. Now I need to add these 2 amounts together, so I'm going to use column addition to do this. So I'm going to add 14 and I put the 25 underneath it, making sure that I align my ones go underneath each other and the digits in the tens column go underneath each other. And then this line here represents my equal sign, and I add the numbers together. So I go 4 plus 5, that gives me 9 in the ones column, and 1 plus 2, which is actually 10 plus 20 because they're in the tens column, gives me 30, so I put that 3 down there. So at the moment my total was 39. This time my roll gives me a 3 and a 6, and I'm going to make that 36. Now I need to add that to my total of 39 there. So I put the 36 under the 39, aligning my ones and my tens digits, put in my equal sign, and now I add them together. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. Now I can't put that 15 in the ones column because 15 is made up of 10 and 5. So that means the 5 is going to go into the ones column, but the 10 I'm going to carry over into the tens column and just put it there. And now in my tens column I'm adding 3 plus 1, which is 7. So my total so far is on 75. Okay, my fourth and final throw, I've thrown 3 and a 2. Now because I'm on 75, I'm going to put that down as 32 because I know that 70 and 30 is going to get me close to 100. And so now I'm going to add my 32 to my 75, put in my equals line, add my ones column first, the 5 and the 2, which gives me 7, and then adding my tens column, the 7 and the 3, which is actually 70 and 30,